Yes, my viewers. Yes, my subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you know all doing great. Hope you know all doing well. So, you know what to do? So just do the do. Like, comment, and share. And if you're new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. When you do subscribe, just turn on the post notification bell, put it on all, so that when we drop a video, you're going to be the first one to be notified. Ads are placed upon a video. Watching out from the viewers, manners and thanks. Development of St. Thomas continue. Today we are in White Horses. White Horses, full time now them get a little fix up, because you know the road of White Horses cause a lot of controversy as time goes by. Truck drop down in a whole road block and all these things. All these man have even now today was what am I do today around here? So cause two part of White Horses work are going, you know. So we are show you as the first, then we go show you the paving. So just stick and stay. But right here, so them nah dig up here, so as you can see, I patch here, so viewers. So what them doing is make the patch. You see that set a asphalt out upon it for a long time. Them nah dig it up. Them nah move it. Them make it stay, and then come with the next paving over it. So the next paving over it, it nah go be like the second paving, you know. It go still consider as the first paving. Cause remember two paving over get. So not because they don't dig up this, it nah and then put the next one over it. It nah go say it's a two paving. You get what I say? Hope you don't understand what I really say, viewers. You get what I say? Yeah, them nah dig up here, so as you can see, I patch two side. The sinky side and the part in the middle and the whole asphalt, them nah dig it up, as you can see. So them just all come and just put up a layer over it. But it nah go consider as the second layer, and it still go be the first layer. If that makes sense what I say. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man. So that are going out of White Horses right now, and you know, first and last bar, we are going to do some asphalt around there, viewers. So just stick and stay, you know, and then we are going to show you it and make you see what go on the development of St. Thomas. It continue right across. So hope you all give me a like. Hope you all enjoy this video. Continue watch it. Bless upon yourself, you know, natural. Yes, my viewers, and you all know S&G. Them response to this, you know, viewers and subscribers. So you don't know the thing go. As me say, them nah dig up out here, so them just patch it and then put a layer over it. So in order for you to see it and we're going over details and everything, you have to continue watch the video, you know, bless up. Just stick and stay, you know, viewers. As you all can see, I patch them and patch it, viewers. Which part you say with it? White Horses St. Thomas. The development of St. Thomas continue right across, viewers and subscribers. So as you can see, we're on our way to 6K. So journey with me there, you know, viewers and subscribers. Remember, zero we start from, you know, sky's the limit. Bless up to all who do the do on this channel. Bless up to all who take me there, who play their part by growing this channel from strength to strength. As you say, sky is the limit. So let us continue with the video now, viewers. Let us see more. Round here, so patching. We are going to the paving, you know. Yeah, man. So just stick and stay. We are showing the paving, okay? Bless up on yourself. And as you take a good look, you know, viewers, you can see say what water draining well out here. So you see me I say, yes, water draining, put on water so to move water. And as we always say, you know, no matter how you develop the road, if you not try control the water, it don't make sense, viewers and subscribers. If you can't control it, okay? Bless. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, as you all can see, right as I come up with the illness, I forgot the first and last bar in White Horses, as I can see, asphalt paving this, you know, viewers. And you know, response it already, S&G. So we don't really have much to say in this video, you know, viewers. We just all make the video talk. We have much to show you. So in order for you to see it, just continue watching the video, you know, and just do. Bless up on yourself. Manners. Hope you all enjoy it. I don't know what wrong with these motorists. When they and them see the road and it, see this lady, this flag lady, if you run on this man, if you flag him, and stop him, and they tell him a lot of profanity word, just being stop. And he sees the road are up, and he sees the road and it, road construction and you see it, you know, but then just not care. And yet still them balls say they want new road and they want road and you give them road and them see when I create animosity. Yo, more time and get, yo, bless up. Through the motor is stubborn. See, you got the sign you have to reverse. You have to reverse. Him have to reverse through them stubbornness, you know. And rain a fall all them things and the people them can't get to do the work in peace through the motorists, yeah. And them foolish style, man. Yo. It can like when they work around, them have to get police on the scene. Yeah, they can like them have to do that. Comment down in the comment section and tell me viewers. Yeah, can like they have to get police on the scene in order to control them motorists when work around. You see the same green car where the lady has stopped so long, you know, and they tell the lady bad one and they go and do up and phone. You see it? See all you have to reverse. You see it? It don't reach nowhere and can't go nowhere and the lady is stopping from down here, so. And down here, so the lady is stopping and look. See him there? He up in a corner as if you can see viewers. Through them stubbornness. And here the lady is stopping from down here, so. Some of viewers, this is right after I leave Roselle heading into White Horses, going to the first and last. Right, just by the people I'm usually selling mango there around the corner. Yeah, right there, so. And you know St. Thomas, I ever been to St. Thomas, I've been to White Horses, you know exactly what me at. Alright, so them there put on the first paving viewers and subscribers. So just continue watch the video, stick and stay, bless up on yourself. So as we say already, viewers, around here, so them dig it up fully. You know, I say some part of them now dig up fully, then just come with the paving, come pave over it. Some part may get a little digging, while some part now digging. So patch it and then come with the layer, first layer come put over it. As you can see them dig here, so yeah, but them now dig it right through like how them dig here, so viewers. But as you can see for the water draining, it is there. You see for yourself, viewers, say yeah, to move water. But we say with there, White Horses. So just continue watch the video, do the do. And I want to tell you, say rain are going X, you know. As you can look on the sky, it look like say boy when it start, this now go stop. So we just try to catch some footage so we can bring forward for the scene of viewers. You know what I say? Yeah man, so I give thanks to those who do they do. Again, give thanks to all who have played their part by growing this channel. Because we have a plan to take over ourselves in our viewers. Because the place overcast bad. So we have to do it fast, quick and brisk. Just to make us see what I want. And now rain, we are out here. Sun, we are out here. You get what I say, viewers? So just do the do. Bless up on yourself. Yeah, man. So white horse is getting there, you know, viewers. Yeah, they are getting there. S&G active. Right to spot them usual selling mango, right? That's a viewers round the corner there. Yeah, man, them usual selling mango, etc. The money, them this, them that. Yeah, man, alright, that's them there, bro. So if you're heading to white horses, you can know say you have to book up on this. Well paved, well nice, well level. First layer, yeah. So my viewers, my subscribers, we bring it to one of me gonna see say. Finally, white horses has get them first asphalt paving. You get what I say? First layer still, so you know them I go over it again. Yeah man, but the first layer look real good and nice. So motorists can move more free and more comfortable, but do it in the wise way. You get what I say, viewers? So the development of center must continue. So now that we come to the end of another video, you know. See you people in the next video. Safe travel upon the gravel. I'm out.